What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress into your Bluehost dashboard. So what you need to do is to first of all log into your Bluehost account. Once you log into your Bluehost account, you will see a similar layout just like this one. So what you need to do, uh, in case you don't have an installation beforehand, you will face the similar layout. So you'll click on this add site button, and from here you will click on create new site, and from there you can click on this get started. From here you will have to enter the site name. In my case this is let's just brand you, and then you will need to enter the site tagline, in my case which is this one, and I'll paste it here. After that you'll click on this next. Once that is done, make sure you don't enter anything in this directory. It should be blank. And if you want, you can install this plugin, but I don't want to install this plugin, so I'll uncheck these and I'll select the domain name, which is actually this one, chessbrandsllc.com. So I'll click next. It will take some time. After that you will see this notification that will say congratulations, WordPress installed successfully, and here you will find your username and password. Here will be the URL for your website, which will be actually the domain name, and here will be the login URL. If you want, you can click on this login to WordPress, and once you will click on this, Bluehost will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard. So it will take couple of second depending upon the internet connection. So you can see the WordPress dashboard is loading, and now you can see that WordPress dashboard is already loaded on our domain. So this is how basically you can install a fresh WordPress on your Bluehost dashboard. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I enter a new video on YouTube. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.